Hey, what's up? This is your golden girl right now, trying to give you some golden information so you don't have to worry about, do I have a bunch of debt? You know I'm against it. You know I'm against it. I don't like owing anybody, but what I hate even more is not having money. It's not the business. It kind of goes hand in hand with being in debt, but it ain't. But it is, but it ain't. So how do you get out of that system? You gotta earn more. Spend less, earn more. We hear spend less all the time. Budget. Have all the coupons in the world. Get this rebate, get that. All of that absolutely can help. The less that you're putting out, the better. However, just chopping down what you're spending is not an end-all be-all. So, how do you make some more money? I got some ways for you. The number one thing I really do want you to do, invest in yourself. Invest in some sort of business for yourself. Invest in some sort of business for yourself. Invest in some sort of business for yourself. It could be singing. It could be writing a book. It could be being a contractor. It could be being anything under the sun. A lawyer with your own practice, a doctor with your own practice, anything under the sun. Get your own business. That's one. Invest in yourself. I can't say it enough. Learn as much as you can right now. There's so many colleges, Harvard, Berkeley, everybody, they're giving free courses. It's easy to learn a lot right now for a little. And you got time. I know you do. You got a little something. So take this opportunity to delve further into whatever it is that you love, that you can offer, that you can do, whatever skill, talent that you have, get into it, alright? So that's one. Two. Now, I think the majority of these are if you just need that little extra so that you can do other stuff, or so that you can make ends meet and then get a little extra stuff. Here are some tips. First thing you can do is start doing surveys. Yeah, plethora of websites, Swagbucks, QMe, all types of different things. MTurk. I'll list all of these here below for you, just for your reference too, so you just click and check it out later. Come back to the video and check it out later. So again, those are QMe, MTurk, which is part of Amazon, and what was the last one I just said? Swagbucks. And those are literally you going on your computer in the comfort of your home. You don't have to go outside anywhere or do anything crazy. Just literally answering surveys, and you'll get a little cash back for that, or some change back. Now, if you need to up the ante, here's another one. Beta test websites. So there's usertesting.com and then there's trymyui.com. Alright, so pretty much what it sounds like and what it is. You are testing a website to see how user friendly it is, give your feedback to whoever's website it is, on what you think of it, how easy it is to navigate. Were you able to find this quickly? Was this hard? That sort of thing. How did you like it? Was it visually appealing? All of that good stuff. Gotta be a part of it. Next one. Now this could coincide with you investing in yourself. Upwork, Fiverr. So if you're a designer, if you are good at voiceovers, if you whatever creative, you can go on those two sites, and I'm pretty sure you can find more, but these are just two that I know of that I can say I'm familiar with and or have used, that you can try to offer literally your services. Fiverr especially has so many different things you can do. My logo was designed with Fiverr. I've had friends who've done business cards, all types of stuff. Fiverr can definitely be used for good stuff if you need to utilize it yourself to get your business rolling, or if you again can offer the service yourself. So that's another thing you can do. Next thing, what is this? 4, 5, one of those. Next one is flip what you own. So if you have a pair of old vintage glasses, some Chanel or something, sell it. If you have some Jimmy Choo, red bottom, whatever shoes, put it up on Poshmark. Depop, or good old-fashioned eBay. You can find so many things on those 3 sites / apps. If you have some vintage stuff, that'll work for eBay, because people once in a while search really hard for old, hard to find finds. You know what I mean? Like if you have an old cassette player, somebody might want it. If you have an old keyboard, somebody might want it. Use also like Facebook, Marketplace. The world is your oyster right now. Flip what you own. Old coats, vintage t-shirts, whatever, you can sell it. If you're not using it on top of that, and you haven't used it for some time, and you know you're not going to use it, go sell it. Just flip it and get some cash for it. Flip that into gold if you want. Hey. But that's another video. Okay, so I think this is 5. The next thing you could do is teach a course. So if you know how to speak another language, if you know how to create apps, you can do so much with that. You can teach so many people with that. There are a plethora of websites for those. If you're pretty well versed in music, you're like good at singing, or if you're good at playing an instrument, you can teach on a site like Live Lesson Masters. And then there are sites like Teachable, Udemy, and LearnWorlds.com. So you can check out any of those and just have fun with teaching a whole course. Now, if teaching a full course is not your thing, you just want to help someone with the knowledge they've acquired, what to do with it, you can also tutor. Now, a really good site for tutoring is Chegg.com, Chegg. Again, I'll put that down in the description below. But you can go on there and tutor anything from law to probably how to juggle. There's so many different subjects you can go to on that. Like, take your pick. If you're good at it, go check it out. Now, here's another one. Affiliate ads, right? So you've seen them before, I'm pretty sure. You go click on something, or you see somebody's post somewhere and they are talking about a particular product. Hopefully they actually like the product they're advertising. You can be one of those people who actually likes the product they're advertising. There's so many ways to go about it. You can actually know someone and offer that, just barter that up front with them in person. Or you can go on a site like ClickBank. You can go to Amazon affiliates. That's easy because everybody's been at home just buying a bunch of crap from Amazon anyway. Get some money off of it, you know? Or have your family do it. You guys are going to buy something, use your link, have your cousin, sister, brother, husband, father, mother, whomever go purchase it with your link, and then when you're ready to buy something, purchase it with their link. Keep the circle going around, you know what I mean? Lastly, keep money with rebates. You know I love a rebate. You know I love a rebate. Give me my money back. Coupons. What's the easiest way to do it? Here are some of my favorites. Rakuten, which used to be Ebates, right? So if you're shopping online, check to see if the company, the shop, whatever that you're purchasing with has an affiliation with Rakuten. Click on Rakuten, or get the browser app, all that good stuff, widget, whatever. Get that so to remind you or let you know that if you are going on a site that they are affiliated with, you can get some cash back. 1%, 12%, whatever. Anything in between. Like, it's a no-brainer. Get your money back. And sometimes you could use it in store. So if a store you are going to is actually open and they're affiliated with it, sometimes you can get some money back from there too. As well as Ibotta, especially if you're grocery shopping. If you link your store like discount card to it, and it'll automatically take it off. And another one, Shopkick, just get it, it'll be good. And if you missed any of those, I have that in my free ebook that's listed below as well. Okay, I think that's it for now. Oh, one more. So if you are bilingual, if you can teach kids another language, I got 2 sites for you. Cute Kids and Cambly. I'll put those below. It's just sharing your love of a different language with some kids. Expand the horizons, right? that's all I got for now. If you have any other suggestions on ways to get your money up so you can start investing, you can start saving a little more, you can start putting a little away, having some liquidity for yourself, legally of course, drop it in the comments below. Let me know. Share with everybody else what you got. I think that's it for me for now. I'll check you later.